Hi, Sherry here from Family Handyman, where I test products to make your life easier. With these drought conditions, having an easy-to-use hose is important. As a veteran gardener, I can't live without an expandable hose. Unfortunately, my last expandable hose bit the dust a few weeks ago. So let's check out Flexi Hose. This 50-footer comes with a free spray nozzle, and the hose fits in this tiny box. Sweet, 4 extra washers. These 3/4-inch connectors are solid brass and quite sturdy, especially compared to the old hose, which, by the way, had a 5-year warranty and blew out before the 3rd season. The Flexi Hose is super light and smooth, and it expands to 3 times its size. Flexi Hose is agile and easily maneuvers around plants and obstacles. My property is a 1/4 acre, and using long, heavy hose really isn't practical at all. Flexi Hose easily attaches to existing hoses to reach the far corners of my yard, and Flexi Hose comes in 25, 50, 75, and 100-foot lengths and 4 colors. All my favorite sprinkler heads and spray nozzles worked like a charm on the Flexi Hose. In fact, it performed better with a lightweight sprinkler head compared to the 5/8-inch expandable hoses without recoiling. The free nozzle is comfortable and has 8 settings with a powerful output, almost too powerful, but it's easy to dial back the pressure with the toggle on the fitting. It's great to have that power when cleaning out the bird bath or washing the patio. The best part is the Flexi Hose doesn't kink. It's super lightweight and maneuvers easily. Another big bonus is that I don't have to wind it up after each use because it collapses into a tiny bunch. If you want to reach every corner of your garden without straining under a bulky hose, Flexi Hose is your answer. Thanks for watching.